जॅक सिकराच्या पुतळ्याचा दिवशीला
Issue येयल्लो आहा. Party is deciding on Monday at 7 o'clock in the evening at BJP office, party office.
ओके
All MLAs are called and party office bearers are called
ओके
to discuss on the statue of Jack Sikar in the Secretariat and Assembly complex. In between.
MLAची मीटिंग, पार्टीची लेजिस्लेचर मीटिंग हांगा ऑफिसान, ऑफिस बेरर्स ऑफ BJP, हाऊस स्पोक्स पर्सन तशें सगळ्यांक दवरलें.
केन्ना मिटींग
मीटिंग सोमाराक दवरलें 7.
फायनल जातलें हांगा जर कितें करप तें
ना पळय म्हणजे तूं पर्सनल विचारता पळय, आय कॅनॉट मेक पर्सनल कमेंट्स, पण म्हाजे कडेन पर्सनल सी वी आर ऑल लिडर्स आर बॉर्न वीथ क्वालिटीज वी हॅव टू डू टुडे. I personally feel that we are standing here in this legislative house is because of some people who have fought for keeping the state separately, and recognition has to be given to these people. Now, whether it is individual or whether it is 15 of them, that will be decided by Honorable Chief Minister and the legislature. But as personally, I feel that today, if we are here, it is because of this group of 15-20 people. That time they did this movement. I am not saying individual. A group of 15-20 people made a movement, and they succeeded in keeping Goa as Goa, or we would have been just one district of the big state of Maharashtra. So I am indebted to them. If the same view is shared by all my colleagues, that decision will be taken. I am not saying individual. I am not saying individual. I am saying a group of 15-20 people. In those 15-20 people, maybe somebody was important. That is to be decided on Monday.
फेब्रुवारातल्या बजेटाचेर शुक्रारा बीजेपीच्या आमदारांची मुख्यमंत्र्याबरोबर चर्चा झाली.
Meetings were on budget. आता सेशन चालू जावपाचें 19th तेजेर डिस्कशन जाल्लें आहा. Budget CM wants to understand the urgent requirement of the state and every constituency कितें आहा तें. The important things which were discussed long back 2012 budget also, like including housing was discussed today. How we can give affordable housing to Goans who do not have a house, for a bigger families जेन्ना जाता ते तेंचे कडेन जागो आसना रावपाक, they go and stay on rent. So तेंकां कशें दिवप पळय ते. So because we have marked the land at Kolwale and it is come under commercial zone also. So people can get around 2,000 flats over there, 1,800. So but that needs to start. It is still not started. Project is in pipeline. When it starts hitting the ground, digging the ground and building it, then only we can say yes, budgetan जे डिक्लेअर केले ते फुलफिल जाता म्हणून चालू झाले काम.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळकार.